everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can go ahead and unlink Facebook from Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Instagram. Once you open it, go ahead, tap on your profile icon on below right corner, tap on the three horizontal on top, and now tap on this settings option. Go ahead, tap on your option called account right over here, and then you will find this option called sharing to other apps. If you type in, you can see the other platforms where you are sharing, and as you can see, if the Facebook is connected. So if I go back and I will tap on this account center below, and this kind of interface will open up, right? If I tap on this accounts option right there in account settings, it will show all of the accounts. So for example, if I want to remove my Facebook account, simply tap on this remove option given, tap on this remove account option, and then you will simply be able to tap on this remove account option, tap on this continue, and you will simply be able to remove your particular account from Instagram right there. So yes guys, this is a very easy method for you to remove your Facebook or unlink your Facebook from Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to all of you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.